Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. Unleash precision with the HAZET 9032 Angled Micro Die Grinder. This tool is engineered for tight spaces, delivering powerful performance with a staggering 70,000 revolutions per minute. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for detailed work, whether you're in metalworking or automotive repair. Built with high-quality materials and Kevlar slats, the HAZET 9032 ensures longevity and reliability. No more struggling in confined areas. Let the HAZET 9032 do the hard work for you. Get ready to achieve flawless results every time.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.